It's gonna be a busy one today. So I've had a few days off with the family, and you know what? It's good when you have those days off because you just, without realising, with all the stuff that's going on, sometimes you just need a bit of time off. Even if it's just a day or two, you need a bit of time off. Anyway, got a couple of valets this morning, and then back to the unit in order to do a 110 Defender to get that polished and coated. Hopefully, fingers crossed, Elliot's going to do me a massive favour because Charlie's off today and decon the car for me, do all the wet work, dry it in preparation for all the detailing work, polishing, coating, all that good stuff, which hopefully you guys will see later on. But first, right, that is the water tank filled up. And now it's going to be about half an hour from the spotless water in Gatley to the job in Oldham. Off we trots. That roundabout is notorious for people just going over it. Instead of going round it, they just go over it. Look, it's on a bypass and no one likes to go around this roundabout. You can probably tell that from all the signs on it have been replaced about 20 times. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hello gorgeous, I am recording. How can I help?
Hello mate, there's no park key in the unit mate.
So Charlie's got the key then, right. Okay, no worries. Okay, just do it outside then.
Stay mate, catch you in the morning.
See you mate, bye bye. Because there's so much going on, little things have been oversighted. But it's alright, we love problems, I want more problems. That's what we like problems.
Hi, you okay?
Hey, just outside now.
Alright, I'll bring the key out to you now.
Beautiful, see you soon. Right.
Sorry.
It's what, sorry?
I've noticed a new dent in the car.
You've noticed a new dent in your car?
Yeah.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Don't know if you'll be able to see this on camera, but there's damage on the car. There's a dent on it.
You see that there? Slight dent there. Bit chilly, bang the hoodie on. So it's an X3 M50 BMW. Anything else if you want to pull that in, it's up to you mate, probably not, but hey ho. In this very beige sort of colour. I'm not a fan. Damn! Maybe on pictures, maybe on the dealership if they wish to show you, great, but what do you think about this colour? Super cool day, we're out of the sun, so I've laid down the wheel cleaner, I've laid down a little bit of citrus pre-wash on the lower parts of the car. Now I'm going to lay down snowy, let that sit. Everyone loves a good snowy shot, don't they? Right, hold on, turn the generator on, need power first. Joke, let's go. Lovely. Gloss is on, no dwell time needed. You see that there, it's starting to speed up already. This car has not been coated at all. That's cool. Protection now to aid me to dry the car. Easy, noisy. So we've got spotless water. So you're not going to get any mineral deposits, i.e. water spots. I'd like to install a spotless water style sort of filtration system for the unit and maybe for the van. It just depends on space. And I've got a lot of stuff I need to do in this van yet. I keep on talking about this, but it's having the time to actually do it because I'm sick of having to move stuff to get to stuff. The whole point of having a bigger van and it kitted out is that everywhere has a home and you limit the amount of kit that you need. You make your life a lot easier. But we'll get there. There's a lot more stuff got to spend at the unit first before I bother with the van. But I am taking on a lot of stuff. I know I am. We are doing so much with very little, but fun though, isn't it? Right, gonna pack away, let that drip dry for a minute or two, empty my buckets, put all my stuff away, and then dry the car. Once the car's dry, interior stuff, get that boshed out, do some quick clips, and then on to the next job. I don't want to bore you too much, do I? Saying that though, if you do want a free checklist on how you can safely clean your car at home, just like I do, link below. You've got to put in your email, because if you don't put in your email, Ian, I can't send it to you. Alright? He's only putting that in so he gets your details. He's got a rah. It's free. If you don't want it, don't put your details and don't have it. Ian, worry me a little bit when I've got, don't take this the wrong way, Elliot's brilliant in what he does, but it does worry me just a little bit. When he's deconning the car, there might be tar all over it. Is he going to miss all them tar spots? Because I'll find out what condition the car is in when I get there. This thing like this IK triggers, they clog up so easy on the end. Look, just I hate, honestly, for the amount of money these triggers cost, it's not been real well tested. Outside done, glass done, all the interior wiped down. Now I've got to do the vacuuming and then final wipe down. And if you haven't noticed, I got myself a Vac2D2, the Ventos. Good bit of kit. More on that later actually, I don't want to slag it off, but I can't slag it off because it is a very good bit of kit, but for the price point, it's one of them. X3 done, hand the key back to her owner, and Elliot, because I love it that much, there's a little aftershots. Appreciate it because I love it so much. Nobody else cares, I do though. Hope she answers nothing knocking her house otherwise. Hey, that's the X3 all done for you now.
Perfect, thank you.
Didn't even know that. She's the sister of one of my clients. Gary, if you're watching, cheers, mate. Right, next! Hello, Fraser, mate.
Hi James, you alright?
Not too bad, mate. How can I help?
I just wanted to call actually to check up on how you were getting on with the whole van situation and
You want to buy my van, don't you?
that's right, yeah.
You too, mate. Bye-bye, mate. I did a video on prepping the old van for sale, and within a day, probably a day and a half, I had about 6 messages of people saying, I want to buy the van, I want to buy the van, I've been following for ages, I want to buy the van. I'm like, cool. Even Valets Van said, oh, we'll buy it off you. I'm like, okay. But again, need to do some more content on that for you guys. Final mobile job for the day, this Porsche Macan. Not seen this for about 6 weeks. Let me show you.
I'm so glad to see you because the car's filthy. Can't wait to see it shiny.
I'm okay to plug in. Everything's set up and topped up. Wheel chop on. All the mats, including the one on the back for the boot, is out. Wheels first, snowy the car, pre-wash, contact, all that good stuff. The heavens have opened. There's no rain there, but there's rain here. Worst case scenario, a bang gazebo. Every Valets detailer knows about that one dick cloud. Follows you around throughout the day. Everywhere else, dry. Where you're working, right above you, okay, cloud. Probably called Ian. Ah, James, look, he's at it again. He's at it again. I don't care, Ian. Watch me. Oh, so a customer. Hello, Samira. Lovely. Why is he not a customer? Elliot, get onto it, mate. Find it. Book it in monthly. Thank you. There's a rinse. Clean and dry. Now put away the wet work in preparation for the interior work. So that's what I like to do, rather than leaving everything everywhere, cable, hoses, buckets, you name it, just stuff everywhere. It does me nutting. And Charlie works the same as I do now because it just does me nutting, tripping over stuff, whatever. Unless you do multiple cars in the driveway, then you put the wet work to one side as opposed to, you know, packing it away, just so it's just out of the way. Right, dress tyres, and then should be on to the big job for the day with the Defender. Quick and easy of use. I don't know what happened to that bottle, by the way. Still works. Quick and easy tyre dressing. Take away all the wheel chocks, as in all the hose guards. I mean, look at that. Hold on, let me do 50-50 for you. Now that will flash off, but that is just, this is clean rubber, by the way. We like something that's a good product that can be put on quickly and leave a nice finish. Beautiful. Elliot, you know the script by now. After shots, please. Thank you.
God, it just looks totally different.
That smells great as well. Cool.
Right, you got the key, yeah?
Yeah, I got a key.
Don't let me forget that.
Oh, that's good.
And you're up. She was such a nice incredible lady. She's a fitness instructor. When I say instructor, she does like loads of recipes, meal plans, bit of a fitness influencer to be fair. She's sponsored by these guys, ESN, and she's just throwing all the bars at my way. She went, maybe she's saying I'm looking a bit skinny, I need to get my ass back in the gym. Maybe she's suggesting that. Let's have a go. Quite small. Oh mate, oh they're mint them. I was starving. I had a box of protein bars. Christina, thank you. But I've just ate 3 of them. And I'm that hungry, I'm debating having another one.